Limas danom?
Do you like water?
Yeah, she like water. She's like having a doo-doo. She's drinking a milk. Sorry, Jessie. Hello.
What?
You okay?
What happened?
Hello.
Oh yeah.
Ang uyak mo? You have cough? You okay?
What happened to you, Jess?